Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at a Kingma battery grip. Now this is the BMG P198 and it's a battery grip with a 5200 milliamp hour battery. So I'll show you around the box first as always. So this is the grip itself. Here it is with a GoPro mounted to the top, and as you can see you can plug the cable in to the port in the side. On the back of the box we've got some measurements and you've got the dust cover, power indicator button, and the measurements are 205 millimeters by 35. A little bit of information on the bottom, nothing on the top, and just nicely packaged overall. Right, let's crack it open and have a look, see what's inside. Okay, so opening it up, we've got the grip, some paperwork. Okay, put that to the side. Right, so paperwork first. We've got some instruction papers with Chinese and yep, we've got some English in the back here, which is always nice to see. Put those to the side. And we have a little certificate to say that it's been passed and checked. Then we have a thumb screw, which is GoPro style, and the grip itself. And inside here, maybe we'll have a charging cable or something. Okay, so right, we've got a couple of cables and a lanyard. Okay, so cables, lanyard, nice size. Got Kingma all over it. Okay. Right, so we've got two. Oh, okay. We've got the mini USB and the micro USB. No Type C, unfortunately. And we've got a 1/4-20 screw in the bottom. In the side here, we've got a full-size USB and a micro USB for charging. And then turn it round, and then you can plug it in here. I'll have to see if I've got a Type C small charging cable. I think I have somewhere. Press the little button there and you can see how much power you have left. Can you see that? It's 4. All of the 4 are lit up, so it must mean it's 100%, and it goes down in 25% for each light that goes out. This is the same, basically exactly the same grip that I had a few years ago from a different manufacturer. This one's Kingma and the other one was a different name, but it looks pretty much identical. So with the GoPro fitting, they're always a little bit tight when you first get them. So there we go. Then put the screw in the side. My camera's on charge at the moment, so I'll just put the cage on for now. Give you an idea. Okay, so it's angled. You can angle it, tip it all the way around that side, tip it back that far on the other. Okay, so it's got good coverage. You can cover pretty much all angles, and then if you have an extension pole or a tripod, you can screw it onto the bottom to extend it if you need to. Now when you're using the GoPro or the Osmo Action, you do need to take the door off the side so that you can charge it when you're using the cage. It's a very silly, stupid idea, but anyway, you need to take the door off first, and then you can plug it in like this and charge it up, and it should charge it all day, because the Osmo Action battery will last just under 2 hours on 1080p and just over an hour on 4K, and this will charge it up about five times fully. So if you imagine charging up, so you've got 5 hours of continuous use, that's pretty much a good day's shooting. Right, so attaching the lanyard, just loop that through there, and then when you pull it tight, it ties it on, and just to prevent you from dropping things on the floor. It's got a good grip on it. It's a nice rubberized grip, so you shouldn't drop it anyway, but extra protection is better. Right, so let me know in the comments what you think about the grip. It's much better than using a battery pack. I'll leave you a couple of photographs. Here we go. Osmo's finished charging, so I'll put it in there. And I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can get notified of future videos. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.